Have you ever wondered why some people are better at managing money than others? Well, the answer lies not in their bank accounts, but in their minds. Today we're delving into the core concept of the fascinating book, The Psychology of Money. This isn't your typical financial guide. Instead, it explores how our attitudes, emotions, and behaviors shape our financial success. It's easy to think that financial prowess is all about mastering numbers, but in reality, it's about mastering ourselves. Our perceptions of wealth, our reactions to financial gains and losses, our ability to handle risk, these are all determined by our psychological makeup. By understanding this, we can better navigate our financial journey. We can learn to make wise decisions that reflect our values, and ultimately lead us to financial freedom. So, remember, mastering your financial mindset is the first step towards financial freedom. Did you know that small, consistent decisions can lead to significant financial growth over time? That's the magic of compounding, a powerful tool in wealth building. It's a concept that's often overlooked, but it's a game changer when it comes to growing your wealth. Let's think of it as planting a tree. When you first plant a seed, it doesn't look like much, but over time, with a little care and patience, it grows into a towering tree. That's what compounding does to your money. You start with a small investment, and as the returns start to add up, they begin to generate their own returns. It's your money working for you, even when you're not actively contributing. But remember, compounding requires time and consistency. It's all about the long game. The more time your money has to grow, the more powerful compounding becomes. So when it comes to personal finance, patience isn't just a virtue, it's a strategy. The power of compounding shows that patience truly is a virtue when it comes to growing your wealth. How do you perceive risk in your personal finances? This is a question we should all be asking ourselves. Risk is an intricate concept in the realm of personal finance. It's the potential for loss, but it's also the potential for gain. Now let's clarify something important here. Volatility and risk, they're not the same. Volatility, that's just the ups and downs of your investments, the ebb and flow of the market. Risk, on the other hand, is the chance that an investment's actual returns will be different than expected. It's about uncertainty. So why does accurate risk perception matter? It's simple, it shapes our decision-making. If we overestimate risk, we might miss out on opportunities. If we underestimate it, we could face losses. It's about striking a balance, finding that sweet spot where you're comfortable with the level of risk in your financial strategy. Remember, understanding risk is your compass in the financial world. Are you adaptable enough in your financial strategies? In the world of personal finance, the only constant is change. Markets fluctuate, economies shift, and personal circumstances evolve. This constant change is not something to fear, but rather something to embrace. Adaptability is the key to navigating these changes successfully. It is the ability to adjust your financial strategies in response to new situations that sets you apart. Being adaptable doesn't mean being fickle or indecisive. It means having the foresight to anticipate change, the wisdom to understand its implications, and the courage to act accordingly. Financial success is not about sticking rigidly to a preset plan. It's about making consistent, informed decisions that align with your changing circumstances and goals. It's about being flexible enough to seize new opportunities and resilient enough to weather unexpected setbacks. Remember, the road to financial success is not a straight line. It's a winding path that requires constant adjustment and fine-tuning. In the ever-changing landscape of personal finance, flexibility is your friend. What does wealth mean to you? This question can evoke a variety of responses, but often we equate wealth to the accumulation of money. However, it's time to challenge this conventional notion. Wealth isn't just about building a mountain of money, it's about enriching your quality of life and gaining the ability to control your time. After all, isn't time the one resource we can never get back? Think of it this way. Instead of working tirelessly to amass wealth only to realize you've missed out on life's precious moments, why not aim for a balance? A balance where your financial goals don't overshadow your values and aspirations. So, let's redefine wealth. It's not just about the dollars in your bank account, but also about the richness of your experiences, the depth of your relationships, and the fulfillment of your passions. Wealth is more than just money. It's about living a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to WisdomWave for more financial insights. Stay wise.